dear teachers. Welcome back to your personal teacher training coach, our awesome channel, Teach Like a Pro. In this video, we will learn about formative assessments, their purpose, and their use. So let's start. Formative assessments is like a GPS for learning. It guides both students and teachers in their learning journey. But what exactly is formative assessment and how can it make a difference in your classroom? Formative assessments are the variety of methods that teachers use to evaluate student understanding, learning needs, and academic progress during a lesson, unit, or a course. Unlike summative assessments, which occur at the end of a unit, formative assessments happen continuously, providing real time insights that allow you to adjust your teaching on the fly. These assessments can take many forms: exit tickets at the end of a lesson, quick quizzes, classroom discussions, peer reviews, or even just observing how students tackle a problem. The key is that these assessments are low stakes, meaning they don't count for a grade but are incredibly valuable for guiding instructions. When you use formative assessments, you gather valuable data that tells you how well your teaching methods are going. Do you need to make any adjustments or rethink your lesson plans? For student sides, you get a clear idea on whether your students are grasping the material or not. Are they ready to move on? Or do they need more practice? Do you need to reteach a concept? Or can you offer enrichment activities for those who are excelling? This ongoing feedback loop is what makes formative assessment so powerful. Remember, formative assessment isn't just about measuring what students know, it's about guiding them to where they need to be. Thanks for watching Teach Like a Pro, where we make teaching strategies simple and effective. If you want to know more about teaching strategies, methods, and especially about summative assessments that is mentioned in this video, like and subscribe our channel and stay connected. Ciao.